How to set up email. To set up your personal email, tap the email icon. Select the type of email account you have. Enter your username and password, and tap the Next button. Your account is set up. Tap Done to finish. And you'll see the inbox for this account. If you want to add a Microsoft Exchange account from work or school, tap the email icon. Then tap the menu button and select Settings. Tap Add Account. Then select Microsoft Exchange. Enter your email address and password. And tap the Manual Setup button. Enter your server address and domain. You may need to contact your organization to get this information. Then tap Next. Select the data to synchronize and tap the Next button. Email setup is complete. Tap Done to continue, and the inbox of the Exchange account appears. Read the notice carefully, then tap the Activate button. You can see all your accounts and their default folders by tapping the icon on the top left side. Select a different folder to see it.